Hey guys, Coach D again, continuing our last segment of our series for deadlifts, Sumo Deadlift. So, we talked about conventional and RDL earlier this week. Today in the Sumo, what we're going to do is we're going to go a little bit wider. And for each person, it's going to be based on your hip. So don't be afraid if your stance looks different from my stance today. So, I'm going to start here. Again, you notice that my foot's underneath. Just like that. Now, if this doesn't feel comfortable for you when you go down, you can come in a little bit closer, or you can go Yokozuna and get really wide like E Honda here from Street Fighter. It all depends on you. Now, I have longer arms, so this wide stance is really good for me, but also my hips don't really like it, so I have to compromise there. Find a stance where my hips like it and my arms can be helpful. So I'm going to go here, mini stance. My feet are underneath here again. I'm bowing my knees outwards here, riding a Harley, riding a pony. My hand is going to go inside my leg here, and I'm twisting it down and in. Boom. Shoulders are going down in my hip pocket, getting my weight centered. I'm going to drive my feet on the ground like the Hulk. Boom, and pop the bar up, just like so. Sliding it back down, repeating that same method again. So, feet, hand placement, and I'm using two overhands. You can go underhand if you want here. And notice I'm pulling the slack out of the bar. Listen. That's me pulling the slack out of the bar, so I'm pulling the bar up. Lats toe in hip pocket. Boom, tension everywhere. Back down. Brace. Boom. If I need to switch hands, boom, right there, locking down. And that is our Sumo Deadlift. If you have any questions, let me know. See you guys.